Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today I want to show you how to change one nav link color on one page. So that's super specific, but we have a post about how to change one nav color. So for example, if you wanted this is my sandbox. So for example, like your about link to be turquoise on your whole site. We've shown you how to do that in a past post. Check the links in the description. But we got a question about how to do this like per page, and that was really interesting. So wanted to show you how that works. So basically you take the code we had before and all we need to do is add a collection ID. Again, check the post. We show you how to find those collection IDs. We use the Squarespace ID Finder Google extension. So let me dive in. So I'm going to grab this collection ID. Basically what this is doing, I'm on my homepage. What this is doing is finding the identification for just the homepage. So first application idea is this. Maybe you want to use this as an active link color. So in this scenario, I'm saying on the homepage, so collection ID is saying only on the homepage, I want the link to be this color and I'm changing this to 1. So basically the first link should be this color on just the homepage. So I'm saying basically when you're on the homepage, make it this color. Next, I would say, let me hop over, actually save that, hop to the about page. Nothing's here, but you'll get the idea. Let me grab the collection ID. Now I'm saying only on the about page, so the page with this collection ID. Make sure you have a space between that and this dot. I want the second link to be turquoise, so on and so forth. So you could do this, of course. I'll copy this over, go to the services page, grab this collection ID. I think you're getting the idea now. Make sure there's that space. So basically it's acting as kind of an active nav color. So when you're on those respective pages, the nav is now the color that you've made it. You can of course change the color however you want. The other way I can see using this is this way. Let's say your clients are on the about page and let's refresh, because sometimes with this one, no, you do need to refresh every now and then. It won't take without refreshing. Okay. Let's say that you want to start directing people to different links in the nav. It's kind of a cool way to keep people moving or hint to them like this might be a good next page, or whatever, draw their eye. So let's say on your about page, you really want to keep them moving, right? So they're currently on the about page. Let me copy this full code back over. So let's say they're currently on the about page. So page that we're on, oops, grab that collection ID. So this is saying while they're on the about page, I want the third link to be colored. Basically, okay, they're scrolling the about page. If they have any questions of maybe where to move next, this is drawing their eye as okay, this is a natural step. Or maybe if they're on the services page, you'd want their eye to be drawn to a how it works page, something like that, or the contact page. So just another way to do that to keep people moving around the site, but same process. All right, super cool and interesting way to use this. Hope you enjoyed.